Confirmed by his acting agency this morning, multi-award-winning actor Presley Koprizi Chweneyagae has tragically passed away. This is Crime News Stories SA. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. The Mahikeng-born icon reportedly died in the early hours of Tuesday, the 27th of May, at the age of 40. His untimely death was confirmed by his acting agency known as MLA. Presley's love for acting started at a very young age, which is just 10 years old, where he started taking drama classes. You would remember him, he first landed on our screen through the movie called Tsotsi, where he was one of the leading actors and stars in that film. Over the years, he has delivered brilliant performances in movies and films such as The Mandela Long Walk to Freedom and dazzled the audiences in the acclaimed television series called The River. The country mourns the devastating loss of this incredible and legendary actor who leaves behind his loving wife, children, and a legacy that will never be forgotten. Presley was born in 1984 and died in 2025. Presley trained at institutions including the National School of the Arts, the Market Theatre Laboratory, and the Artist Proof Studio before launching his own professional career. His film and television credits include Maruti wa Tsotsi, Mandela Long Walk to Freedom, and Inamba Namba. He was also known for his long-running role in the television drama called The River from 2018 up until 2023. Presley was associated with Mzansi Magic as a long-standing ambassador and contributor to the local storytelling and talent development. His contribution to South African film and television was widely recognized, and his work continued to be celebrated across the industry.